Hey everybody, it's Mike Biddle. I got a good one for you today. Chances are if you have a TJ, the vent bezel has broken pieces in it like this. And I'm going to show you how to fix it really easily, make it look good again, and for under 15 bucks. This is going to be a short video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and use my links in the bottom. I get a small commission. All right, first thing you need, gutter guard from Frost King. You're also going to need some Gorilla Glue, clear grip, that's what I use, it works great. And then you need some snippers to snip off the rest of the plastic that may be left over. You just snip all of that off across there and get it close as you can to the plastic. You're going to cut a piece out of this to fit underneath. It may take you a couple of tries, but it took me 2 tries, not that bad. You've got plenty of extra material, obviously, for other projects. And then it's going to look like this underneath. You know, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but hey, it works. And it looks a whole lot better than that. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, comment below. Again, use my links. And thanks for watching.